I want to talk a little bit about the product that we're using here on this job site. This is an all-side Ascend line of vinyl siding. It's energy efficient, it's fireproof, and it's wind resistant. So it's a really good product, especially after this property sits very close to the water. So this is an ideal product to use in a situation like this. It's a little bit more expensive. It's considered like a mid-grade product, but we think this is the best fit for this house. And when you're replacing siding, you really only do it, once every 35 years. So this seemed like the right fit for the client. So that's what we got going with here.